That is the most astonishing voice I've ever heard in my life. And I've seen the call to prayer in 5 different countries, and that was the most amazing thing I've ever seen in my life, honestly. So can I get a selfie with you? So
sure.
I can put it
God! Oh, I loved you!
Sorry, hello.
Hello, sir, I'm sorry, you were wonderful. You lifted the whole... Yes.
Oh, wow, that's very kind
When
of
you
you.
went up there, you just lifted the whole...
Well, our spirits, at least our spirits were lifted
You were
from
brilliant.
a divine
You were
call. You know,
wonderful.
that call is called across the whole world, right?
You were amazing.
5 times a day.
It felt like we were with you.
And do you know what? In some of these pieces, they have a recording of it, and there's nothing like the real thing.
Oh, you mean like just live is live, yeah?
Recording of that, and you can't compare what you did to...
Thank you. I appreciate
Where is your mosque?
my mosque. The world is my mosque.
Where is your mosque? Okay.
You have one of the most beautiful voices I've ever heard.
Have you heard the call to prayer before?
Well, yes, but not live.
Not live.
No, and
Okay, wow,
it
that must
was
have been something.
magical. It was really magical. Like I just had to close my eyes in the middle of it, and just you could just really feel the emotion, and yeah, it was.
It's
just,
all heart. You know, it really is.
And you can feel it.
Can you?
Feel it. Yeah.
That means a great deal to me, you know, and I don't take that lightly. In fact, my intention was to inspire hearts, you know, to really feel the truth and the resonance of the light of the heavens.
You certainly did that. Definitely, you did.
Oh, it's nothing from me. It's all from our Creator.
Mission accomplished.
I'm Jules. Nice to meet you. I have to say, that was just amazing. I was stood at the back here, mesmerised.
Have you heard it
Mesmerised. I've never heard it before. No. Not as clear and as beautiful as that.
Oh, thank you.
It was stunning, truly was.
What's your background?
I'm a former Royal Marine. I now breed dressage horses. Something totally different.
No, that's brilliant. I grew up on horses. On Arab horses.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
It was very moving.
Oh, thank you.
It was fantastic. We've never heard it before.
Call to prayer. It was very, very interesting.
You're very welcome,
Can
sir.
I just say that when many years ago I was in Assisi in Italy, and there were some frescoes by Giotto about the life of San Francis of Assisi.
Yeah.
And one of them, which really struck me, was him wanted to talk to the Mohammedan about his religion, the Muslim religion, and not to talk to him about the Christian religion, because he wanted to know more about your religion. Well, and this was at the time when we were going over there crusading for Christianity.
Well, thank you for taking out that subtlety from history, because it's something beautiful to focus on rather than all the negative.
Yeah, exactly.
There's always been people who didn't feel like that.
Yes, and you know, it's historically, even in the Quran, there's a verse: "I've created you from a multitude of nations and tribes, so that you may learn from each other." So Francis Assisi was actually doing that very thing.
He wanted to learn, not to dominate.
Correct.
No, he's a very gentle chap.
And look where we are.
All the animals, you know, used to wrestle.
We are in a church in our beautiful city of London, sharing beautiful sounds. And Carl Jenkins, hats off to him. He positioned the call to prayer in his orchestral piece. I call it in a nice way, an audacity, because any musician playing it will have to abide by his construction. And I'm looking forward to meeting him.
Anyway, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Really beautiful to listen to.
Thank you.